Well, what's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a product to your wish list on Temu. So if you're scrolling through Temu and you find a product that you want to add to your wish list, let me go ahead and take this product right here. And once you're on the product page, you want to scroll down a bit guys till you find the product details here. So you will look for a section called product details or product details. Once you find a product details section, as you can see right here towards the right hand side, it's going to show a save. Once you tap on that heart, it's going to add it to your wish list, as you can see there. Now you may be wondering, okay, once I add this product to my wish list, how do I find it afterwards? Super easy. Just go ahead and go to the home page on Temu, click you. It's going to go to your profile and you will find your wish list right here as well. So just tap on wish list and you'll find wish list here. And these are all of my wish lists, as you can see. And this is it guys, very easy and very simple. Let's say the latest order, so you want to just scroll down and find that specific product, because as you can see, this product I added here recently, and it's just in the mix of all products that I've added to my wish list. Now as you can see right here guys, it shows that I have one product to my wish list, and as you can see, I've added a product there, and that's it. It shows wish list one and it shows the only product that I've added to my wish list. But that's it. Very easy and very simple guys.